What's up, you guys? Welcome back to Get Free with Annie. That's me. I'm Annie, and my channel is all about finding you ways to get free through passive income rather than working 40 hours a week for somebody else that you don't really like. And that's what my channel is about, finding you ways to make that happen so that you can get free and live the life that you want to live. If that sounds good to you, then click subscribe and follow my channel for more ways to do that. Let's get right into this one today. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another review with Get Free with Annie. That's me. I'm Annie. What are we talking about today? It is called the E-commerce School, and it is a 10-day step-by-step affiliate marketing course teaching you the right knowledge, skills, and strategies to earn your first commission within 10 days. So what's different about this one than every other course? I really like that they are giving you a set deadline of 10 days in order to show you how to become an affiliate marketer and make your first commission as an affiliate marketer. Usually when you have a deadline, you work harder and better and faster, and you make something happen because you have a deadline. So I really like that they give that. So what's included? There's 10 days of lessons and quizzes at the end of each lesson. In those 10 days, you learn how to make a landing page with Wix, W-I-X, which is a super beginner-friendly platform to make landing pages with. They also teach you TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and email marketing. Also included is a really nice affiliate program where you can earn up to 50% commissions on all products for your entire life, plus 10% second tier commissions, meaning that anytime somebody signs up under you, you get 50%, and then anytime somebody signs up under them, you get 10% of their sales as well. That's a really generous affiliate commission payout. So who is this course good for? This course is great for people who prefer to read lessons instead of watch videos. I'm one of those people. I get really bored with videos. I like to read out, be able to highlight things and take notes. So that's how this course is laid out. They lay it out in text format rather than video format, which is what a lot of gurus and course programs are doing these days. I personally retain things better when I can read them. With videos, I start to space out, so I like that about this. This is also a really good course for complete beginners who need very basic step-by-step instruction on how to become an affiliate marketer. And for intermediate affiliate marketers that are already doing affiliate marketing, this is a really good course to promote that has really great affiliate commission payouts. So who would this not be good for? If you're already a fairly successful intermediate affiliate marketer, this course is too much for beginners. However, I do think that the affiliate program would be good for any intermediate affiliate marketer because it is a good course to promote with a good commission payout. So what are the pros? If you are an intermediate affiliate marketer already looking for a good program to promote, you don't have to purchase this program in order to promote it. Another pro is their high commission percentage. 50% is really good, and their second tier commission percentage, 10%, is really good for second tier. Most affiliate programs don't even do second tier commission. Another pro, there's automatic affiliate tracking, meaning that you are going to know where your sales are coming from without having to do that yourself. Another pro, they're very transparent. They keep track of all the commissions that they've paid out and they put it right on their website. As of this video, they have paid out $800,000 in first tier commissions and $57,000 in second tier commissions to their affiliates. So that's pretty cool. Another really cool pro is they have an affiliate marketing challenge where they actually have a prize pool for how many sales you make. So if you make $50,000 in commissions, you get a $5,000 cash prize from them. If you make $25,000, you get $2,500 cash. If you make $5,000 in commission, you get $500 cash payout. And if you just make $1,000 in commissions, you get $100 cash payout from them. Best performing affiliate of the month also gets a variety of cash prizes or products, which is pretty cool. So they have a really, really nice affiliate program. So what are the cons? If you like to learn through videos, there aren't a lot. It's mostly text, so this might not be good for you. And then the other con is that they do teach TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and email marketing, but they don't teach YouTube marketing, which I think personally is an important one, so they are missing that. I always like to also give you some testimonials from successful students that they have had. So this first testimonial is from Riley McCarty. I saw a huge increase in my sales today after implementing the new strategies. I'm expecting my first $1,000 day tomorrow. Conversion rate also went up big time. That's cool. Philip Thompson says, just started my new email campaign and I'm seeing improvement already. It's generated more than $700 already with a 40% open rate. Thanks, E-commerce School. 40% open rate is nuts. So my final final thoughts. This is super good for beginners. It's very, very easy. You don't have to be tech savvy at all. Also, you only have to pay once. You don't have to pay monthly. So you pay one time and you own the course. I really like that. And they have a great affiliate program. Their commission payouts are amazing. So my final verdict, I do recommend this course if you are a complete beginner to affiliate marketing and you need somewhere to start that is extremely affordable and will teach you how to get your foot in the door in just 10 days. It's also laid out very well. There's no fluff or a bunch of stuff about mindset, and everything that you need to know in order to become an affiliate marketer within 10 days is all right there. So I highly recommend this course for complete beginners. If you are a little bit more advanced and have tried affiliate marketing or other online businesses in the past, this might be a little bit too beginner for you. It would be a good product to add to your affiliate marketing product list, a good one to promote, but the course is a little bit too beginner for people who already know a little bit about affiliate marketing or have tried other online businesses. If you're just looking for something with more high quality content to really up your game in the affiliate marketing or online business, if you are a little bit more advanced and you've already tried other ways to make money online that didn't work, or already tried other affiliate marketing programs that didn't really work, then I don't recommend this one for you. It's a little bit too much for beginners. So if you need something that's more high ticket and has more quality content and more actionable steps that you can take to really level up in your online business, and you're willing to invest a little bit more at this point, then you can click this little button up here somewhere right now, or you can click the link in my description below. And I will also link this course, the e-commerce school, in my description below. Thanks for tuning in for another review with Get Free with Annie, and I hope that you choose today to go out and get free.